Hello students, let's discuss the chapter-wise past year papers of science. Let's start with chapter 1, that is chemical reactions and equations. Balance the following chemical equation: Fe, solid, H2O, gas, Fe3O4, S, H2, G. Answer: balanced equation: 3FS4H2O, G, Fe3O4, S, 4H2, G. Why is respiration considered an exothermic process? Answer: respiration is considered an exothermic process because it releases energy. During respiration, glucose reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy that is used by the body for various functions. The reaction releases more energy than it absorbs, making it exothermic. It is the opposite of an endothermic process, where energy is absorbed. Balance the following chemical equation: Pb, NO3, S, heat PbOS, NO2, G, O2, G. Answer: balanced equation: 2Pb, NO, S, heat to PbOS4, NO, G, O, G. Name a reducing agent that may be used to obtain manganese from manganese dioxide. Answer: a reducing agent that can be used to obtain manganese from manganese dioxide, MnO, is carbon, C. The carbon reduces the MnO to manganese metal, Mn, by donating electrons to it. The reaction is MnOC MnCO. What change in the color of iron nails and copper sulfate solution you observe after keeping the iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution for about 30 minutes? Answer: when iron nails are dipped in copper sulfate solution, the iron reacts with copper ions in the solution, causing the copper ions to be displaced by the iron. The copper metal forms a reddish-brown coating on the iron nails, and the blue color of the copper sulfate solution fades, turning green. This is an example of a single displacement reaction. A student took sodium sulfate solution in a test tube and added barium chloride solution to it. He observed that an insoluble substance was formed. The color and molecular formula of the insoluble substance is: answer white, BaSO4. Sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. The balanced equation which represents the above reaction is: answer B, to N as H2O, L to NaOH, Uk, H2G. It is important to balance the chemical equations to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Which of the following statements of the law is incorrect? Answer: the chemical composition of the reactants is the same before and after the reaction. Assertion: a burning of natural gas is an endothermic process. Reason: our methane gas combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Answer: A is false, but R is true. When aqueous solutions of potassium iodide and lead nitrate are mixed, an insoluble substance separates out. A metal ribbon, X, burns in oxygen with a dazzling white flame, forming a white ash, Y. The correct description of X, Y and the type of reaction is: answer: X is equal to Mg, Y is equal to MgO. Type of reaction is equal to combination. A. Reaction of quicklime with water is an exothermic reaction. R. Quicklime reacts vigorously with water, releasing a large amount of heat. Answer: A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals? How does this color change after heating? 2. Name the products formed on strongly heating ferrous sulfate crystals. What type of chemical reaction occurs in this change? Answer: ferrous sulfate crystals are green in color. Upon heating, they turn brown due to the formation of ferric oxide, FeO. The heating also decomposes ferrous sulfate. The products formed are ferric oxide, FeO, sulfur dioxide, SO, and oxygen gas, O. The type of chemical reaction is thermal decomposition. 2 g of silver chloride is taken in a china dish, and the china dish is placed in sunlight for some time. What will you observe in the dish after some time? Write the chemical reaction involved. Mention the type of chemical reaction. Answer. Upon exposure to sunlight, silver chloride, AgCl, decomposes to form silver, Ag, and chlorine gas, Cl. The silver metal appears as a grayish deposit, and chlorine gas is liberated. The chemical reaction is 2AgCl, S, 2Ag, S, Cl, G. This is an example of a photodecomposition reaction, where light provides the energy needed for the decomposition, while electrolyzing water before passing the current some drops of an acid are added. Why? Name the gases liberated at cathode and anode. Write the relationship between the volume of gas collected at anode and the volume of gas collected at cathode. 2. What is observed when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight? Give the type of reaction involved. Acid is added to water to increase its conductivity, as pure water is a poor conductor of electricity. During electrolysis, hydrogen gas, H, is liberated at the cathode, and oxygen gas, O, is liberated at the anode. The volume of gas collected at the cathode is double the volume of gas collected at the anode, as per the stoichiometric relationship in water electrolysis. When silver chloride, AgCl, is exposed to sunlight, it undergoes photodecomposition to form silver metal, Ag, and chlorine gas, Cl. This is a photodecomposition reaction, as light provides the energy to break down the compound. Identify the type of reactions taking place in each of the following cases and write the balanced chemical equation for the reactions. I. Zinc reacts with silver nitrate to produce zinc nitrate and silver. 2. Potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate to produce potassium nitrate and lead iodide. Answer. I. The reaction between zinc and silver nitrate is a displacement reaction, where zinc displaces silver from silver nitrate. The balanced equation is ZnS2AgNO, Uk, Zn, No, Uk, 2Ag, S, dot, 2. The reaction between potassium iodide, K, and lead nitrate, Pb, No, is a double displacement reaction, where potassium nitrate, No, and lead iodide, Pbi, are formed. The balanced equation is 2K, Uk, Pb, No, Uk, Pbi, S, 2 No, Uk. Decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat or light or electricity for breaking down the reactants. Write one equation each for decomposition reactions where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. Answer. Decomposition reaction with heat, CaCO, S, CaOSCO, G. Decomposition reaction with light, 2AgCl, S, 2Ag, S, Cl, G. Exposed to sunlight, decomposition reaction with electricity, 2HO, L, 2H, G, O, G. Electrolysis of water. Which of the following statements about the reaction given below are correct? MnO4H close MnCl2HOCl. Answer. A. I. 2 and 4. Explanation. In this reaction, HCl is oxidized to chlorine gas, Cl, and MnO is reduced to MnCl. Therefore, statement I and 2 are true. MnCl acts as a reducing agent, not an oxidizing agent, so statement 3 is incorrect. HCl acts as an oxidizing agent, making statement 4 correct.